Okay, hey, what's up, you guys? I'm pretty much gonna eat some dal taco, and I got the vegan dal options. So this is the taco right here. It has one slice of avocado. We be eating too much spicy food. And you could see this orb several times. I'm very sensitive because, like, psychic sensitive. I have a Diet Coke. And I on burrito. This is my favorite. It's so good. Because I don't invite things in my house. Like, nothing bad happened. I'm gonna put this down and then go to the next taco. I definitely felt a presence. I love you guys. Stay chunky because chunky is beautiful. Peace out. All right, hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm gonna be trying Hooters for the first time. I've never tried Hooters. I've never been in Hooters. I'm not about that life. I'm like, ooh, okay. I got some loaded tater tots. Then I ordered some wings. So I ordered 2 6-pieces and had some ginger ale in a Starbucks bottle. I'm just like, I'm starving. What kind did I even get? I have to dip my wings in ranch. Like, I have to. I don't have to prove anything to anybody, but and I'm not even paying attention to how I'm eating. I'm full of wings. I'm gonna eat a little bit more of this tater tot surprise. I'm one of the best, but you know. Love you guys. Stay chunky because chunky is beautiful. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chunky and I'm back again. I always say El Pollo Loco because I remember I'd seen a video of Tupac and he's like, I want to get some El Pollo Loco. They forgot my tacos, my barbacoa tacos. Tostada salad, double chicken tostada salad with avocado, lettuce, rice, beans, salsa, sour cream. They don't put enough sour cream. I should put extra sour cream. Do I have sour cream? Then I got the creamy cilantro. It comes with creamy cilantro, but I get double creamy cilantro. I should have told her it was chunky, but no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put this, okay, I'm feeling like myself today. I'm gonna put this sauce. And then I'm gonna put this sauce. I like to put 2 of these because I like tomato. I have chips here. And I have guacamole, extra guacamole. And I was gonna, and look at how it's a little bit brown on the top. Like, come on. And this is the guacamole salsa. This is my favorite thing to eat from Pollo Loco. I like it all saucy. Such a dork sometimes. for my kids. Spoon. I started staying from place to place, and then I would leave, you know, when I would go home. I love the creamy cilantro. And then so then but I guess I'm done. We'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Stay chunky.